Welcome to Color for Confidence. I am so excited to be here with you. I'm Annette Bond, color specialist. I have been studying color, oh my gosh, for probably 25 years, working with women on their color. The one thing that I absolutely love is watching instantly a transformation that happens before your eyes when you start honoring your colors that mirror your natural coloring. So, as we go through this program, Color for Confidence, I just ask that you keep an open mind, really understand and look at your natural coloring, have fun, and you are going to, your world is going to open up when you start seeing what are your best colors. Compliments will be coming your way. You feel so good, whether you're wearing a beautiful blouse or you're wearing a pink athleisure t-shirt. So whatever your colors are, and be open to experimenting, be open to trying some new colors. I will see you in the first color lesson.